Invitational Games. On Saturday at 2 p.m. it's Ateneo going up against the Philippine Army. Both, of course, homegrown. And, of course, at 4 p.m. it's Vietnam going up against Malaysia. And let me turn you over now to the birthday girl, Miyako Lim.
Thank you. Well, sabi nga kanina ni Coach Roger Gurev during their first game, dumating sila sa Manila nung umaga at pagdating daw ng hapon, naglaro na kagad sila. Meaning, they had zero preparation and they just took it as it is. Sabi niya, napaka-inconsistent daw ng defense nila. Pero, sabi niya that the girls played fairly well dahil knowing that they are a college team, sabi niya na hindi naman daw nalalayo ang final score dito sa club team na ito ng Vietnam na mayroon pang dalawang kasamang Russian. Sabi naman niya na yesterday daw is an adjustment period for them at sana naman daw ngayon medyo nakahinga na itong mga girls niya para naman dito sa kupunan ng Malaysia. Sabi ni Coach Sukor na not only did they go up against a stronger team in Army but they were also very distracted dahil daw ibang environment dito sa Manila at na-apektuhan nga yung kanilang reception to the point na yung libero niya lumapit daw sa kanya at sinabi na they are really nervous. So sana naman daw ngayon kung maglaro sila na hindi nervous, okay daw ang laro na. Pero kung nervous, he will keep his fingers crossed, guys.
Alright, thanks Miyaka. And really, the adjustment, for these foreign squads, it takes time, it takes time. And sabi nga ni Miyaka, hopefully the Malaysian girls are more settled in for this match. Medyo nagulat siguro sila against Army yesterday.
Hindi nila akalain na ganun kagagaling mag-volleyball ang Pinoy. Well, kasi alam mo, one reason probably is that hindi na nga nakikita yung Philippines sa mga international competitions. So like the SEA Games. So, hindi rin nila nag-gauge kung nasa na ba talaga ang Pilipinas.
Exactly.
But now, they kinda know.
I know, and hopefully more of the teams would be invited over and of course participate. And I think Miyaka has the toughest job amongst the three of us because she has to listen in during...
Correct. To a non-English speaking Vietnamese team mamaya.
And she has to really rely on, body language, sign language, and probably the tone of the coach. if she has a report, then we'll find out later.
Relax. Ganun na rin si Miyaka.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Thank you, Axel.
Liza from the back row.
Let's talk about Ateneo for a bit, Mozi. They have a very busy year. Obviously, they're very busy and
I think preparing really well for the coming UAAP season. Yun ang nakikita ko sa Ateneo. The focus is there. So hopefully the result will follow.
I think the rebuilding season, that's an excuse that we've given them for the past 2 or 3 years. Hindi na pwede, no? So tama ka, ito ang kailangan nilang kumbaga patunayan,
for the harvest, diba?
We're gonna see that, but so far, with this match, obviously nahihirapan sila dun sa height nitong kalaban nila from Malaysia. And of course, the Malaysian squads, even though they're really tall, mabibilis din, ha? They have quick reflexes, they play good floor defense, and they're giving Ateneo a hard time.
And 8 of them nga coming from a national team.
Former
national team players and ex-SEA Games players. Makikita mo na competition alone, sumabak na to sa malalaking competition. So, you don't expect them to just give it away. Gusto rin magpakita niya,
of course,
sayang naman, nagbakasyon ka na sa Pilipinas, uwi mo rin yung trophy, mas masaya.
Totoo, and these girls, of course, would share all these stories when they go back home, and hopefully we give a good account of our level of play here in the country so that they get to talk about, the Philippine team is really, the Philippine League, of course, the V-League.
They're all staying in at a very plush hotel in Ortigas.
Wow. Yun pa lang, no?
All together, even with the Filipino Army. So, nagiging friends rin yan mga yan. Kaibigan, you found friends. As Te once again, on the cross-court hit, scores another one.
See, Te's not the tallest one on that front line, but almost all the sets were going her way.
And you can see, napaka-textbook ng volleyball skill niya, but very effective. Na hinahanap yung butas, down the line, cross-court. Kanina, mid-hit.
Gervasio finally. Well, probably the sets, ito rin, ano, yung sets dapat ng Ateneo, dapat i-adjust din siguro ni Jem, medyo ilayo.
Yes.
Kasi,
para
pag
hindi
dikit,
mahirapan yung spikers.
madaling maabot ng Malaysia kung masyadong dikit yung set sa net.
Patnongon.
Nice serve. Excellent serve from Patnongon.
Through the blockers.
That was
of
number
Ateneo,
12 again.
that's you.
You getting it through the block, giving the Malaysian squad a 5-point lead here in set number 1.
Jump
Nice
serve.
serve.
Valdez unable to take that pin. That serve.
I know, Valdez should have let the libero take that. It is Malaysia up by 6 here in set number 1.